learning program has implemented project-based learning for many of its courses. With project-based learning, or PBL, our students solve realistic problems like the ones they're likely to face after graduation and in the real world. This means our students are learning real-world skills while still in school. Don't believe us? Just watch how project-based learning will help these 5 business pathway students, played by K-12 employees, with completely different personalities, come together as a team. They'll collaborate on a school project the same way coworkers in the workplace collaborate. What they're learning now will definitely help them overcome obstacles in the future.
Hey team, how's everyone doing today? Good, great. I heard back from the teacher and he's wanting us to work on a business project that's due 1 week from today. We're going to need slides, spreadsheets, resources, graphics, all of the above. Does anyone have an idea on which elements they'd like to tackle first?
Hold on. We only have a week to get this project done. You've got to be kidding me, right? We should have at least a month to do this. I mean, a week for each part of the project, right? A week for the slides, a week for the spreadsheet, a week for the resources, and another week for graphics.
I wish this was the case, but unfortunately it's not. Don't worry though, we've got this. We are organized, we have an idea of what to do, and we've got each other to lean on.
If you say so. I still think there's a lot of work to take on. I guess we'll see.
PBL fun fact. With project-based learning, students solve realistic problems, ones they'll likely face after graduation. Let's check in and see how our actors are doing with the group project.
It shouldn't be that much work. I hope you all don't mind, but I got a jump start on the assignment from what I gathered from the teacher. I've created a spreadsheet to track different parts of the project and a PowerPoint with everything we're going to need. If we follow this schedule that I created, we should be finished with a day or two to spare to make any corrections or tweaks before we need to turn it in.
Wow, this is so great. Look at how awesome we're working together already. We are going to nail this and get an A on this project. I can't wait to meet again and get it started.
Good morning. I hope everyone had a good night. I went ahead and looked up some research on business management. I broke down the slides into administrative support, business information management, general management, human resource management, and operations management. Which one do we want to tackle first?
Well, slow down. We're going to have slides on each one of those careers. I think that's a bit ambitious, don't you think?
Well, if we're organized and use good time management, which we're doing both of those things, I think we'll be fine.
You both are right. It's a lot, but it's also manageable. What can I do to help?
PBL fun fact. The previous model of high-stakes testing is replaced with collaboration. Our actors are mirroring the teamwork adults need to succeed in the modern workplace.
Well, we each need to pick a different career path. I think we should plan to block off time this afternoon every morning for the next few days to dedicate the time we need to each pathway. Let's work on administrative support right now, and then this afternoon, let's work on business information management. Does adding a second meeting this afternoon work for everyone, or?
No, this isn't a good use of our time. We should each take on a different career path. I'll take administration support, and we can divvy up the workload amongst the rest of the team. Let's work smarter, not harder.
No. We can't get frustrated. We're a team. We are going to get this done. You both have great ideas. I think we can make this work. Instead of adding additional meetings, though, let's each take a career path. We've got this.
Hey guys, thanks for uploading your documents to the spreadsheet. It makes it so much easier to see where we're at on the project.
Everything is looking really good. We just need to make a few more tweaks to a couple slides and make them flow into each other. But I think we're on the right track to turn this in soon.
This is so exciting to see the project come together. It's so great that we're working with a team who works together so well. I'm so proud of us.
PBL fun fact. Industry partners help provide the rigorous and realistic projects that influence learning and development to exceed traditional classroom environments.
I saw that someone made a change to my slide.
I liked how I had it, but I
See why the changes were made. I just wish someone would have asked me first.
Yeah, that was me. I felt like it needed to be reworked, so it was a little more cohesive.
I guess next time you should send an email to confirm that the changes are okay. Both of your points are valid. Let's use it as a learning experience. Great job, everyone.
The project was turned in on time, and they received glowing reviews from their teacher. It goes to show that teachers aren't just lecturers, but coaches and facilitators of students who control their own learning experience. Although many of our young students have vastly different personalities, they all leaned in on their individual strengths and skills to work on this project together. Those lessons mirror the teamwork that is required to succeed in the modern workforce.
Absolutely, I can take care of it this afternoon. I'll check with both departments and get back to you, okay? No, I have their information. Nope, I'm all set. Don't need anything else. Thank you.
Do you see this right here? This is what I was telling you about. This is what we stayed up all night working on, and it turned out fantastic. I'm sure our boss is going to be so happy to present this to the client.
You need these numbers on your desk by close of business today? And a report tomorrow morning about my findings? Absolutely, sir. I have all the data that I analyzed right here. I'll get it to you as soon as possible. You got it.
Everyone had such great ideas at the team meeting this morning. I think we could really use all of them in some way or another. I'm going to write them all down so we have enough to work on over the next couple of months.
Can everyone hear me? Okay, good. I just want to say that we had a really great brainstorming session. Everyone came with great ideas. You guys made coming to work really fun.
All of our PBL students walk away with those important real-world skills. Project-based learning focuses on the rigor and realistic projects that help students in these types of settings learn as much, if not more, than they would in a traditional classroom environment. Please be sure to visit us at destinationsacademy.com. And don't forget to subscribe below and follow Destinations Career Academy on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok.